we're gonna launch the app. I'm just gonna refresh my account, and then what you're gonna see is a story that has more than 100 views, and let's see it. So as you can see, this Instagram story has 349 views. So this is the way you can get more views. You have to add a location on your Instagram stories. As you can see, I just gained 2 extra views. That might not look like a lot, but it's something, you know, like you can, like, if you do this, you can find like 2 new followers. And the other method that I'm been using is like adding hashtags to your stories. In that way, some people that don't follow you are gonna see your post. And as you can see, I have 5 views from America, that hashtag, 36 from Manhattan, 29 right here for this hashtag, this New York City hashtag. What else? And like here 13, and here another 13, just because I used hashtags, and the rest of the views are just my followers. So the only tools that you have to add to your Instagram stories are location and hashtags. And I'm gonna show you a couple more screenshots. And here I have in this story, I had 537 views just by using location, as you can see, and hashtags. The other Instagram story is this one, 413. I'm showing these screenshots because these 2 Instagram stories are some of the most that have more views. That's why I'm showing this couple screenshots. But there's one thing in common: you can see location and you can see location, but you cannot see hashtags. If you want me to make another video showing how to put hashtags in your Instagram stories, just leave me a comment and be like, hey Cesar, can you make a video explaining how to use hashtags in my Instagram stories, and of course location, and I will be more than happy to make that video. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thanks for your time.